Hey everybody, Fran Harris with Fran TV coming at you, the internet's only television show that elevates your life and business. I love to bring it to you with a lot of energy, enthusiasm, excitement, education, and entertainment. I thought I was going to forget one of my E's, but anyway, glad to be with you. Hope you are having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. And today I want to talk about something really near and dear to my heart. And that is the topic of business manners. Business manners, etiquette, business manners. And I'm going to focus mainly on the tool that we use the most, and that is email. And so I want to just talk to you just to provoke a little bit of thought with how you're using email and how you probably want to avoid using email. I always talk about using email for the purpose of disseminating information. If I need to tell you what time the meeting is, what time we're going somewhere here, the directions, that's a great way to use email. If you are my business partner and I'm angry with something about something that you've done, email is not the way to convey my anger, to say, I didn't appreciate this and I wish you hadn't done this and I'm doing this like I have a typewriter, but you know what I mean. It's not... Email is good for logistics, not for emotions. And yet I see in business a lot, people fueling their emotions into their keyboards. Not okay. Because once you hit send, you have no control over how I receive the words that you just fired off on your computer. And I know business relationships have been destroyed. We won't even talk about personal relationships. Business relationships have been destroyed. Conversations have been misconstrued. Information has gotten all screwed up because someone chose to use email to share something that would have been better served by picking up the phone or meeting with someone in person. So I just wanted to send you a quick video to ask you to be kinder, gentler, more respectful, and smarter with how you use your email communication. If it's logistics, go for it. If it's emotion, if it may potentially harm your relationship, pick up the phone or arrange a meeting. Remember, community first, business second. See you soon.